Meaning of heartbreak.
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 Heartbreak. Heartbreak refers to the intense emotional pain and sadness that someone experiences when a romantic relationship ends. This type of emotional pain can manifest in many ways, including physical symptoms such as chest tightness, difficulty breathing, and even depression. The resulting feelings can be overwhelming and long-lasting, making it difficult for the person to move on from the relationship and find closure. Ultimately, heartbreak is a natural part of the human experience, and while it may be painful, it can also lead to personal growth and self-discovery.